is my Google 20time project video, and today I'm going to be going through my website a little bit and explaining my progress movements throughout this project. So let's get into it. My homepage pretty much just explains what my goal is. My goal for this semester for this Google project was to go on a health. So health and fitness has been something that I've always struggled with. I struggled a lot with how I saw myself and how I saw my body, and I didn't have a whole lot of confidence growing up in what I was wearing. I always thought I was overweight even when I wasn't. Just stuff like that. So this was really about me gaining that confidence back and being proud of what I've done for my body, especially health-wise, and not just like losing weight, like overall gaining strength, gaining that mental health piece. So this is my about page of welcoming you to my, and it just explains a little bit more about like the time that I tried to go on this journey. It's been very, very short-lived, and it's normally been how much weight you lose the quickest. So it'd be like, oh yeah, I do this really, really strict diet, and I'd lose 10 pounds in the 2 weeks or whatever, and it would all come right back. I wasn't actually doing anything to maintain my health long term. So this page is my weekly updates page. I just wrote about like how I was feeling, what I did that week, just stuff like that for like the full 16 weeks. And then for my progress, this is what I'm most proud of, are my completed workouts. I used an app called the Nike, and it was really great because it had a lot of plans that worked around your schedule, like how much time that you had and stuff like that, along with like your level of intensity and your experience level. So if you were a beginner, it wasn't going to give you like super like heavy gym workouts. But I finished 3 that I posted on here. I finished more than that, obviously. But the boxer burner one, actually, this one right here, was my favorite one because it's really good when you want to get up some like aggression. So the pictures are crazy. The amount of progress I made. This little picture right here was taken January 21st, so a long time ago, and I was so proud of those baby abs. Like, you have no idea. And then this picture was from Spring Fling in March. So me personally, I can tell the difference between my waist in these pictures and my legs. That I look leaner here than I do here, even though I was doing great in progress both times, and especially between this picture right here and this one down here, the results are insane. And it also took a lot for me to post these pictures because I can still look at them and find some stuff wrong with them. But overall, like, I'm just happy with how I look now, and I don't really care that much what other people think of how I look. I think I look really good in these pictures, and so I feel really good about posting them. But this one I'm super proud of because like I've always wanted abs, and I have so good. Even like this picture isn't even of my body, it's of my clothing. Last summer I was devastated because I had to buy another size up, and I was actually a size 12, and size 12 is beautiful. There's nothing wrong with it, but for me, being that size at the height that I wasn't healthy for me. And I knew that. And it just put me further into like a I just can't do it state. And this, what's really cool about this is that I cut my pant size in half in that time period. I am now a size 6. Not that like pant size is everything, but I definitely feel healthier. I feel better in my clothes. I feel more confident in my clothes, that like I don't need to hunch over or like hide my stomach or anything like that because I feel better about it now. and I donated tons of clothes that are too big. And then these pictures right here are from my dance recital. And last year's dance recital, I was scared because I had gained weight, and we did our measurements done in October, and our recital is in April, and that's a lot of time that you can possibly gain weight. And I was very, very scared. And I was really happy this dance recital actually that a lot of my costumes were too big and I had to alter them smaller to fit me, which is insane because I've never had to do that before. But I just like the way that I look, and it allowed me to give my all in my dance recital and worry about the dance and not how my stomach looks when I do this move, or if my legs jiggled when I hit the floor or something like that, which is really, really nice. And then this here is a video from my dance recital, which you guys can take a look at if you want to. I'm right here, and this girl, like, right behind the play button. So if that's helpful. But overall, this gave me a lot of accountability. I couldn't, like, just stop doing this, like, and it was great because I was already on the journey, so I could just share that with everybody, and it made it really easy to stick to. Even, like, these recipes and products here are food that I use still on a daily basis, so I'm just really happy that I could share it with somebody else maybe going on their fitness journey. And I did this all without using a scale, because to me, every time I've done this before, I've always had the scale mentality of that number is what's important, and that's not it at all, because someone could easily be, 150 pounds and be 5'10", and it's going to look totally different than someone that's, 5'3" and 160 pounds. And everything looks different, whether it's muscle, whether it's not, like, it's just not a good judge of it. But I did weigh myself last summer at my heaviest, which is a while ago, I know, and recently, and I started at 175 pounds, and I'm now 146. So I lost 30 pounds since last summer, which is insane to me. And I am so happy with my progress. Like, you couldn't even believe how happy I am that I can get up in the morning, put on my clothes, and not have to worry about hiding this, hiding that. Like, I feel good in my body. I feel healthy in my body. I feel like I can push through my workouts now. Like, I know I'm eating the right foods for me, and I know how to feel my body to do that, which is something that I didn't know before. And what's good about this now is that I made a lifestyle change. This isn't a fad diet, a 2-week crash course. This is my life now. And I know that there's going to be weeks where, like, I fall out of that. And that's okay. But I've trained my body that, like, this is what I'm used to. This is the routine. This is what I'm going to keep on doing. But yeah, I really, really enjoyed this project. And I think it really helps me mentally and physically just feel happier with myself, which is something that I really like. And I think that I'll continue to do this project.